You should be able to tell that I was pretty busy at the garden today. We had great weather and I spent a couple of hours taking all those plants that I've either purchased or raised from seed and getting them in the beds. Later this week I'll have a video together talking about what I've done. Right now I just got back from a walk and I'm going to harvest some kale from this old kale plant so we can add it to our salad for dinner. Okay, the weather lately has made this kale really come out, and before something else gets it, either insect or animal, we may as well add it to our salad. So I just go through here and cut several of the nice big leaves. Now I've got a nice basket to take inside. Okay, got a nice little small basket of kale ready to add to our salad this evening. Maybe I'll see if I can grab a radish also. They haven't been doing too well. Later in the week, I'll have a longer video up talking about all the planting I did in the garden today.